Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to review a lens that I think that every one of you know. So exactly, it's Sony 85mm f1.8. It's designed for full frame Sony E-mounts camera. It's a typical portrait lens. It's a very popular glass, at least. It's 67mm filter thread. It's about 90 centimeters of minimum focus distance, f1.8 aperture, so a very bright lens, and it's a prime lens and also has an AF and manual focus switch on its body. So let's begin from the sharpness, and at least I'm a little bit disappointed with sharpness of this lens, because in most cases all the shots are taken at f1.8 right now, and I can't see too much sharpness in here. So for me, I'm a little bit disappointed of f1.8 sharpness, and we don't have to say that everyone is buying this lens for shoot at f1.8. You are not buying this lens for shooting at f2.8 or f4, and at the same time you can see a lot of chromatic aberration in here. Here you see tons of chromatic aberration, so you also have to keep in mind when buying this lens. So if you are going to look for a tack sharp lens, so I'm not sure if that lens is for you. Okay, let's talk about distortion, and here is not too much to talk about, because at least I didn't notice any distortion in this lens, so that's a very short story. Okay, so what about bokeh and aperture comparison? Here we will go from f1.8 at f11, if I remember. So now you can see how the image is changing when the aperture is going up every step. So we began from f1.8, now at f5, and at the same time this lens is getting really sharp at f2.8 and f4, something between. So you have to consider it when you are going to choose this lens, and now we are going to see it. At f1.8 you can see it's not so sharp. At f2.2 a little bit better, but still not the same, not the point. f2.8 now it's very sharp, nice, and at f4, as you can see, almost razor sharp. So that's it, and I don't think that we are going to buy this lens for shoot at f4. Here we've got a little bit of bokeh comparison right now, and side by side f1.8 and f4. Okay guys, so let's go to talk about a little bit of video work. And this lens doesn't have any in lens stabilization, doesn't have any optical steady shot in it, so I was handhelding right now, and you can see that there is a little bit of shakiness, and it's hard to hold it in a very precise way, and also a little bit of focus pulling when I was going forward and I was going away back from the subject. So maybe not the best to handheld video work. Okay guys, and that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope that you like, subscribe and comment below. See ya. Thank you guys.